Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia for Mobile Game Development Term 1504. This video I'm going to give you an overview of our Project 3. As far as what I found most valuable this week, I would have to say majority of the lessons aside from one were very good. They're very detailed, explained what we're looking for, and kind of gave good video examples as well. So I think that was very valuable. What I had the most challenging was, which I'll show you here in a second, was getting the obstacles to create without crashing. I was crashing for the longest time, and I finally got it figured out after lots of research. What I would have done differently, let's go ahead and show you what I'm talking about here. I'll get it running here in the simulator. Plane runner. And now the obstacles are creating. What I would have liked to have done differently is I have the physics showing. As you can see with the green boxes, I would have liked to create those a little bit more of a frame rather than it being so out of context. Like obviously the plane isn't really sitting on the ground at this point, and when you crash, you're crashing far away from the actual rocks themselves. Other than that, you have the sound of the plane flying every time you click it. I'll turn it up here. And then if you crash into an obstacle, it has a separate sound for the collision effect. It crashed into there and crashed into the floor. You had two effects there. And I actually have the parallax scrolling here with the background image scrolling ever so slightly, and then the foreground a little bit faster. A few things that could have used a little more clarification was the caching the data. I think I did a fairly decent job. I don't know if I did it correctly or not. But I created variables for pretty much everything that I was going to use, and then the very first thing I call is load the resources, which just goes and loads in all those textures for each of the nodes. So I have all those available, so that way when I call them I don't have to manually go in and check them. So I think that's correct as far as caching the data, but I'm not sure, so that was something that could have used a little bit more clarification on. With that, it's been a great week. I really like everything we've learned so far. I like the way the game's turning out, and look forward to implementing a little bit more features in the next couple weeks. Thanks, and good night.